Good morning and Jai Hind to my dear students. Hope you are doing well at home. So welcome to your Ellis class. Now today in this class we will be doing Dialogue Book Unit 4. So quickly turn your pages to Unit 4 of Dialogue Book, page number 28. Unit 4, My School. Open this page and then turn to page number 28. Can you see the speaking activity on page number 28? Now we will do this matching activity and I will show you how. So these are the few rooms that we have in our school: the teacher's room, the music room, the sports room, the computer room, the canteen and the arts room. So I am sure all the students know that these rooms we find in our school. Now you will match the names of this room to the things that is found inside the room. And on the right hand side, these are how the rooms look like. So on the left hand side, these are the things that are found in this particular room, and on the right hand side are the names of the room. So you have to match the dots from with a line from one dot to the other dot. For example, I am showing you the teacher's room. So what do we find in a teacher's room? Can you tell me on the left hand side? What do we find in the teacher's room? We find the files and notebooks in the teacher's room. Teacher's room is also known as the staff room. It is known as a staff room in our school. So in the staff room is the place where our teachers sit when they do not take the classes. So this is the teacher's room. Now on the either sides of the teacher's room there are two blue dots, and in this on the left hand side and on the right hand side there are also blue dots. Now what will you do? From one blue dot you will draw a straight line with the help of a ruler. So you will draw a straight line from the teacher's room to what are the things that you find in the teacher's room. Same way, you will draw a line from this blue dot teacher's room to how the teacher's room or the staff room actually looks like. So you will draw from this dot to this dot. So clear? Same way you will do for the music room. What do we find in the music room? We find musical instruments. And where are the musical instruments? Here are the musical instruments. So you will take a ruler from the music room. From this blue dot you will draw a straight line to this blue dot. Alright, from here to here. Again, this is the music room dot over here, and out of all these rooms, which is the music room? Who can tell me? Yes, the last second room is the music room. Can you see a tanpura over here? It's written also music, and a picture of a drum is also here. So in the music room, we have the musical instrument. So from the music room, you will draw a straight line from the music room to the dot of the music room here. So no one will do with free hand. It has to be a straight line. You will use the scale while doing it. And now for example, can you see the teacher's room has files and notebooks? So you will write this sentence just below the teacher's room like this. The teacher's room has files and notebooks. Full stop. So same way in the music room you will write the music room has musical instruments. In the sports room also you will do the same way. You will match with the sports items. Which is the sport item over here? The bat and the ball are the sports item. And which is the sports room? Can you tell me? which is the sports room. This one is the sports room. So you will draw a line from this dot and you will connect till this dot. So this is a table tennis board and the picture of the football are given on the side board. So, and then you will write the sentence, the sports room has bat and ball. Next, computer room. In the computer room, what do we find? The computer. And where is the computer room? On the right hand side. So this is the computer class. It is written over here, computer class, and two computers with chairs and tables, and this is kept on a table. So you can identify that this is a computer class, that is a computer room. So with the computer room, you will from this side, from the right hand side, you will match on the right side. From the left side, you will match on the left hand side. All right. With the computer room over here, from with this dot you will connect to this dot, and from this dot you will connect to this dot. Same way you will do with canteen, same way you will do with the arts room. And after completion you will write the sentence like this after each room. After the teacher's room, you will write the sentence about the teacher's room, what you can find. After the music room, you will do the same. After the sports room, after the computer room, after the canteen, and after the art room. And after you finish doing this, you will send me the picture of your completed work on my personal WhatsApp number. So, I will be eagerly waiting for all your book activities. And I really appreciate all those children who are doing their work diligently and submitting me their work. Thank you and Jai Hind.